alaikum. A very good morning to the respected superintendent, assistant superintendent, our chief guest, our respected teacher, staff, dear parents, and all the students of this madrasa. It's a special day when we give a farewell party to our students of class 10 standard of batch 2026. It's also an emotional day as we say goodbye to our seniors. You have been our guides, friends, and role models. We learned many things from you both inside and outside the classroom. Though we are sad to see you both, we are also proud of our achievements. We wish you success, happiness, and bright future ahead. Please remember us and stay in touch. You will always be part to this institution's memories. All the best and thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
বন্ধ কর